and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby,
Hey fam, and welcome back to another video with your girl Nett. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these mini blueberry dump cakes. So on your way in, if you could please give me a like, comment, and also subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here are all the ingredients you will need. You will need about 1 pack of blueberries, some pure granulated sugar. You will also need some of these little tin pans, which you can get off of Amazon. I will leave that link down below. We're also going to be using some unsalted butter and some yellow cake mix. So the first thing we're going to do is wash off our berries because you don't know who hands been on them. We want to make sure they're nice and clean. Next, you want to add your sugar.
Something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done.
Once you mix your berries up, you're going to go ahead and take a scooper. I'm using an ice cream scooper and scooping about 2 scoops in each tin. You could pretty much eyeball to see how much you want to fill it up to, but you want to at least fill it halfway.
To everybody else, it will just show me that. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Next, we're going to be adding our yellow cake mix on top. And you want to make sure you layer this to where you do not see the berries. Now I'm just going to pat everything down to make sure it's nice and even. And make sure everything is covered. Now we're going to be adding about 3 pieces of butter on each pan, and it should look about this size.
But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
So now we're going to place these in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes until everything is nice and golden brown. Now while our dump cakes are in the oven baking, we're going to go ahead and start making our whipped cream. It's only 3 ingredients, really easy to do. All you would need is about 1 thing, which is 16 ounces of cold, heavy whipping cream. Now you're going to need about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And last but not least, we're going to be adding about 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we're going to gradually add this in. Now with our mixer, we're going to blend everything and make sure everything is nice and incorporated. And you just want to keep blended until you get some nice strong peaks. You want to make sure that the cream do not fall off your whisk. As you can see here, it's starting to form a little cream on the side, so that's how you know that you're going to get close. So this is how it should look once you're done blending it. I'm going to go ahead and put this inside of a piping bag, and we will be taking our dump cakes out. Now that we took our duck cakes out and it's nice and cooled down a bit, we're gonna go ahead and add our our whipped cream that we just made. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another video. This was so easy to make. It was so good. I wish you guys could smell it and taste it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down below. Thank you guys again. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace.